20 Best Dog Breeds for Ladies in 2026. T is essential to have a dog that suits your lifestyle. Some dog breeds may be suitable for one individual, but not for another. Not all of these finest dog breeds for women suit everyone. For instance, an active woman will get an active dog. If you are more sedentary, you will acquire a lazier lap dog to snuggle with in front of the television. You may get a huge dog for house protection and protection on your regular walks. The greatest dog breeds for women are ranked by their demands. For ladies seeking a workout companion, number 1. Labrador Retrievers. Labrador Retrievers, shown above, are devoted, active, and always up for a game. They are also one of the most popular breeds in America. If you seek an adventuring buddy, you need to look no further. This breed enjoys swimming, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The majority of Labrador Retrievers keep their puppy-like characteristics well beyond reaching maturity. Also, Labs are friendly and mostly unaffected by turmoil, making them ideal family dogs. Number 2. Siberian Husky. Huskies are excellent canines for active, intrepid females who wish to enjoy the great outdoors with their pets. They are one of the greatest dog breeds for busy ladies who do not mind a Siberian Husky's additional grooming and maintenance requirements. These dogs want to be best friends with everyone, and their enthusiasm can even overwhelm some individuals. Because of their very high energy requirements, Siberian Huskies require good nourishment and regular exercise to prevent destructive behavior caused by boredom. Number 3. Golden Retriever. Like Labrador Retrievers, Golden Retrievers are active, loving, people-oriented dogs that get along well with people of all ages. They are one of America's most popular dog breeds, and women are statistically more likely to adopt them than males. These dogs have magnificent, lengthy coats that must be brushed frequently to be healthy. Being retrievers, they may play frisbee for hours in the park and enjoy long walks with their feminine human mates. Number 4. Boxer. Boxers are an active and boisterous breed. They are good with children and possibly smaller animals like cats, but if not socialized early, they can be prone to dog aggressiveness. They would thrive in a home where they can receive all the attention and play alone. This breed's disposition equally appreciates physical exercise and cuddling as it matures. Boxers are renowned for their silliness. Perhaps one of the most excellent dog breeds for women, they are frequently observed guarding their female friends. Number 5. Jack Russell Terrier. Jack Russells are smaller than many other dogs in this area, but you'd never know it from how they behave. These canines are passionate, determined, and clever. They are terrific pets for women who appreciate a lap dog and a highly active, never-still buddy. Not only do they thrive on physical activity, but they are also at their best when cognitively occupied. Unfortunately, they have a high prey drive and may be violent toward other dogs and smaller animals. Number 6. Australian Shepherd. Australian Shepherds are clever and trainable canines that were initially developed as herders. They make excellent farm dogs, but their friendly and active personality makes them excellent pets. This breed also seeks mental and physical stimulation, making it ideal for owners who want to train them for agility competitions. They are, without a doubt, one of the most preferred breeds for ladies. Number 7. Vizsla. The Slim Vizsla is quick and high-spirited. They are incredible running companions for dedicated female runners. It is another of the most excellent dog breeds for outdoor-loving, athletic, and daily active ladies. It is also one of the hypoallergenic breeds due to its short coat and little shedding. The Vizsla is loving, often to the point of possessiveness. They are prone to separation anxiety and adore following their owners everywhere. Vizslas are friendly with other animals, although they are often wary of strangers and require time to warm up. Number 8. Weimaraner. These distinctive-looking hunting canines show exceptional stamina and athleticism. They are fantastic hiking companions for women who enjoy camping and other outdoor activities. Being gun dog breeds, these hunters have a strong hunting sense and perform best as solitary pets. This breed, devoted to its family and distrustful of outsiders, is happiest when it has ample room. They like to engage with folks they already know and trust, and you'll frequently find ladies with their Weimaraners in dog parks. Number 9. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is 9th on our list of the greatest dog breeds for women. These dogs are autonomous, intelligent canines that are frequently compared to cats. These dogs are excellent running companions due to their intense prey drive and rapid speed. The Shiba is a wolf-like dog breed, typically tidy and apartment-friendly, as long as its owner provides sufficient exercise to minimize destructive activity. These pups suit someone who wants an athletic dog but only needs a somewhat loving companion. Number 10. Border Collie. Border Collies are renowned for their intelligence and work ethic. In addition to being exceptional herders, these dogs are also adept at agility. Because of the hyperactivity and sensitivity of this breed, they must have an outlet for their surplus energy. It is one of the greatest dog breeds for women, but it is also a high-maintenance dog that will take a great deal of your time, and they are excellent escape artists. Border Collies are ideally suited to a rural environment with plenty of space to run and play, who want loyalty and safety. Number 11. German Shepherd. German Shepherds have an imposing appearance and might be wary of strangers, making them ideal for those wanting a protective companion. These dogs are highly devoted to their owners, make excellent family pets, and require much attention. German Shepherds, like many working dogs, are incredibly clever and require exercise and a purpose to be happy. Even though the German Shepherd enjoys spending time indoors with his family, they will be happiest in a home with a large yard. Number 12. Bull Mastiff. The Bull Mastiff is intelligent and independent-minded but obedient and ready to please. It and his enormous size make him an excellent guard dog. Unlike canines such as the German Shepherd, Bull Mastiffs are pretty autonomous and require little maintenance. They only require simple, regular exercise to be content. Because of this, despite their size, they make remarkably acceptable apartment dogs. These canines are calm and highly protective. Not only are they one of the greatest dog breeds for ladies, but they are also one of the best dogs for families. Number 13. Bernese Mountain Dog. The Bernese Mountain Dog possesses both sharp intelligence and gentle devotion. As guard dogs, they would be more effective at creating the appearance of danger than really posing a threat. Although one of the most gorgeous and graceful appearing canines, their size sometimes intimidates newcomers. While these dogs tend to be reserved around strangers, they rarely display violent behavior, making them an ideal breed for ladies. Yet, this type is highly protective and will defend its female owner if they feel threatened. Number 14. Rottweiler. Rottweilers are committed to protecting their owners, as seen by their bulky, powerful physiques and blocky facial characteristics. In contrast to the previously described Bernese Mountain Dog, this dog possesses a powerful bite and is capable of causing severe damage while protecting its owner. While unsuitable for first-time owners, Rottweilers are typically self-assured and distant towards strangers, making them highly frightening yet well-balanced. They are lovely one-on-one friends and wonderful family dogs, which makes them one of the most excellent dog breeds for women. Number 15. Korean Jindo Dog. The Korean Jindo dog is characterized by its loyalty. These canines are highly people-oriented and require family membership. They are statistically more frequently adopted by women. Their cleanliness and calm disposition make them ideal apartment pets. Because they are so protective of their humans, it is essential to socialize them from a young age, so they do not feel terrified by everyone entering your home. Number 16. Doberman Pinscher. Doberman Pinschers are vigilant and faithful animals. These canines are highly clever and energetic and need regular exercise and a careful diet. They would be an excellent choice for an active lady who desires a guard dog to warn her of impending danger. Dobermans, like many other loyal breeds, are one of the finest dogs for ladies and make excellent family pets since they are good with children and constantly want to participate in activities. It is one of the best dog breeds for ladies who like being active and need a guard dog that seems threatening and can serve as a protector when necessary. Number 17. Akita Inu. Large canines with a striking and distinctive look. The Akita. They require a disciplined owner to regard as pack leaders due to their intense loyalty and devotion to their pack. Every lady who adopts an Akita must devote additional time to training, exercise, and fun. Clever and determined, if not taught with rigid routines, an Akita Inu will run over a first-time dog owner and likely develop behavioral issues if you are not stern with them. These dogs are devoted to their family but wary of outsiders, making them excellent protection dogs for ladies. Number 18. Commodore. This breed is highly protective and territorial. They are one of the greatest dog breeds for ladies since they provide vigilant protection for their owners. Commodores require a master who will not allow them to dominate. Number 19. Plothound. The Plothound is both loyal and protective. Although one of the more uncommon dog breeds adopted by women, they make excellent companions. This dog takes his role as a protector quite seriously. These canines are natural hunters. They have a herd mentality and consequently tolerate other dogs with whom they have had time to become acquainted. Plothounds like the company of their female owners, but they also want much space to wander, so a home with an expansive yard would be perfect. If your Plothound does not receive enough exercise, he may engage in undesirable behaviors, such as chewing, to amuse himself. Number 20. Chow Chow. The Chow Chow is a fiercely territorial and protective breed. With their bear-like look and obedient disposition, they make excellent guard dogs and are ideal protective companions for women. These dogs prefer to form strong bonds with a single individual, making them one of the finest breeds for women who live alone. This dog is typically not physically affectionate, and its thick hair requires frequent grooming. Apart from the best dog breeds for ladies in this breed, you have various options. Learning more about a dog will help you make the right choice. Thank you for watching this video at Digital Magazine YouTube channel. Check out the full article at www.digitalmagazine.org. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.